What inspired you to pursue this career path, and when this your first real ride in was your dream job?
So it all started when I was still a child. I spent most of my time playing so many video games on my old computer until I realized to myself that video game is a big part of my life. So
What
question number
spe-
two. Okay.
what special what specific skill or strength do you have that make you well suited for this role?
Okay. So the skill that I think would make me become a suitable game developer could be number one, to understand how video games are designed. Number two, understand art of video game, either it's 2D or 3D. And the last one is understand how video game mechanic work.
How do you picture a typical day in your dream job? What would make it fulfilling for you?
Okay. So let's say that I get to work at a video game company. My typical day at work and my main role is in art department, and it would be one, making a concept art about how the game look like and how make sure that customer like it and buy. And secondly, bring my concept art into production. Yeah. Question number number four.
What challenge do you expect to face in this job and how would you handle them?
Okay. So the biggest issue in the video game industry, at least for me, is that there are many competitors. That means the workload increase. So the game developer need to produce more work with little time that the director provide for us. That make that thing would make us become more stressed, and it drain our energy too. So in the long term, yeah, you will get your body, you will get burned out someday, I think. Yeah. So question number question number five.
If you could design the perfect team or development for this job, what would it look like?
Okay, so if I got a chance to lead my own team or my own company, I would stop using fixed work time like 9 to 5 system, because this kind of job needs creativity, and working in a fixed time can be very stressed and permit creativity. And the next thing I want to do is have some time to play video game with my co-worker or employee, because it can relax to myself and get more motivation or more idea from auto game too. Question number six.
How does this dream job fit into your long-term goal? or would you want to become as a person?
So I think to myself that I can bring my own imagination that sometimes get inspired from my real life, and I also want to be known by people. That story I make can be fun to author in the platform of video game. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much.